in the scorer and commentator box. Dinar. Blue Panther, kindly get assembled in the net, right side, your right hand side net, where all your players are there. I would request kindly get assembled over there to have a know-how on the rules. लंच के बाद देना आ गया सीट बट लंच के बाद बोला देने के लिए One of the Yellow Panther player, please come over here. Only one player is allowed. Whoa. The ground is set. Players are on the field. We are getting ready for the first exciting match between Yellow Panther and Orange Panther. Last season, Yellow Panther finished as a runner-up, second on the table. And Orange Panther were the disruptor last year, who with the single win disrupted the entire table, changed the mathematics last year. Let's see what they do this year. They have a batting power play. They have a batting power in their hand to see. And they have a new captain this year, Vikrant. And we all are excited for Yellow Panther as well. Oh, we are getting ready for the match. Have some noise, guys. Welcome to the Root Mobile Premier League Season 8. First match of the day between Yellow Panther and Orange Panther. Narayan and Vikrant are on the opening pair. Very good ball. Cramped Narayan on the leg stump. He tried to move out the off stump to play the shot on the leg side but failed to do it. Missed the ball completely. Slightly outside off stump. It's a wide. Very good line by the bowler. Needs to be somewhere around fourth and fifth stump of outside the off stump. Very good field placement done by the captain of Yellow Panther. Oh, very good. It was a sort of a short pitch ball. Beaten by the pace. It was a slow delivery. Tried to pull it over the keeper but failed to do so. 1 run for the Orange Panther. Orange Panther's account has been opened by 1 run. Vikrant is on a strike. Very good bowling by Dipesh and sensible batting by Vikrant. The energy is at the peak, the temperament is at the peak, and we all are enjoying the clash between these two teams. It's a appeal. Not out, says the umpire. Very good ball, beaten by the pace. Tried to play it over the covers. Very good shot by Vikrant in the gap. And it's RML. RML Choka. DJ hit the music. In this picture house are excited with this four. Quick single. After 1 over, Orange Panther 7 run without a loss. A good start by Orange Panther. We have seen some extraordinary shots. Good ball and a very good shot. Plays for one. Rotates the strike. Now Narayan is on a strike. Plays for the single in the cover. Strategy by Orange Panther. Trying to rotate the strike. Keep the scoreboard ticking. We are seeing some overcast conditions as well. The breeze is cold. What a shot! Very good shot by Vikram. RML Choka! Oh, very good ball by Prathamesh. There was the room. DJ hit the music. Good shot by Vikrant. And he gets 2 run. We want to welcome Rajdeep sir on the ground. DJ, please hit the music. Sensible batting by Naran. He's keeping the strike. He's rotating the strike, and he's keeping the scoreboard ticking for Orange Panther. With a single run, Orange Panther reaches to 16 run.
नहीं वो सर ऐसा रहता है इसलिए ठीक है चले अभी भी बजा सकते हो कोई बात नहीं गुड बॉल वाल्डा
Good morning, Root Mobile. Welcome to Root Mobile Premier League Season 8. A very good competition going between Orange Panther and Yellow Panther. Good. Very good shot by Naran on the leg side for 4. Again a leg side shot. Again one more boundary in the third man region. Fielding, a player has been appointed on third man to cut out the boundary.
आपने वो थर्ड मैन लगा
A very sensible batting by Naran. Got 2 boundaries in this over and rotates the strike. 26 run, 1 wicket for Orange Panther. They are looking good. Both the batsmen, they are discussing something. Some tips would have been shared between both of them. Now the captain himself is coming on the attack for Yellow Panthers. Naran is on strike. Shashi right arm over the wicket. Some field adjustments have been done. Looking at the way they are making the field adjustment, I guess the line would be outside off stump for Naran. Plays sensibly, takes a single, rotates the strike. A very good move by Naran, gives the strike to the new batsman. Try to rotate the strike, break the baller's rhythm.
और ये कितने पे खेलने हैं 8 15 रन 13 रन पे
Good shot in the gap on the leg side. Picks the single. This is a good strategy by Orange Panther. They are keeping the scoreboard moving, ticking by taking singles wherever possible. And a very tight line bowling by Shashi, not giving rooms to the batsman. Again, he has misjudged the shot. Our catch has been dropped. Alive. एक जीवन दान मिला है नारायण को यहाँ पे. बहुत ही बढ़िया गेंद शशि भाई के द्वारा. एक रन और ऑरेंज पैंथर के खाते में जुड़ता हुआ.
राहुल कॉल यार कैच मत
A tight ball. A tight dot ball by Shashi. Only 2 runs have come. A very good ball by Shashi. Keeping his line and length very tight in this over. Putting brakes on the run rate. Only 2 runs has been given away in this particular over. Again a very good ball. Again a dot ball. And it's an over. Very good over by Shashi. Leading from the front as a captain. Only 2 runs in this over. 3 runs in the over.
कितना ओवर हुआ?
We are halfway in the inning and the score is 29.
हाँ हाँ बॉक्सेस बॉक्सेस में जाके आता है.
The play is getting resumed for the from the second half of the first inning. Orange Panther looking good at 29 for 1 after 4 overs. Yellow Panther had a comeback in last over with Shashi, giving away only 3 runs and creating a chance for a wicket. Field change. Nashwa has been brought for the attack. Nashwa Patel, a very good bowler. Right arm, medium pace. And Naran is on strike.
कितना 15 रन है ना उसका? कि 13 है? 14 है.
Good shot on the leg side, but it will only. Oh, good running between the wickets. Snatches 2 run. Very good presence of mind by both the batsmen, taking 2 runs. White ball missing the line. Misfield. But very good fielding. Saves 2 run. Definitely 1 run for the side. Very good fielding by Manish. Saves 1 run for the team. Restrict the boundary. Saves the boundary for Yellow Panthers. Slide of a misfield over there. But I guess they will have a strong comeback in the game after the break. A very good ball by Nashwa. A misfield results into a boundary. Good bowling by Nashwa. Batsman tries to hit it over the covers on the offside, but misses completely. A very good fielding by Dipesh. Saves a run restricted for a single.
कितना रन हुआ?
And with this single, Orange Panther completes 40 runs with a loss of 1 wicket. A very good catch by Manish. Our esteemed chief guest, Sri Chandrakant Gupta ji and his family. DJ music, please. Very good batting. Very sensible batting by Orange Panther batters. They are keeping the scoreboard ticking, utilizing the gaps, and whenever they are finding room to play their shots, they are playing their shots. Steps out. A good ball, Vaibhav. One run. Batsman wanted to play a big shot but didn't got the room to do it. Have to just satisfy with a single run. And the scoreboard reaches to 43 with the single. After 5.2, Orange Panther 43 for 1.
Good ball, Valda.
A very good line and length by Vaibhav Balda. Orange Panther coach is very much excited. Good shot, but will be restricted to only a one run. A good fielding in the long on area. Well fielded, Dipesh, well ball, Balda, well played. Vikram.
Good ball, Valda.
8 ओवर का एक है,
Lovely, Valda.
छठवा चालू है। 10:30 बजे से चला, कितने बजे आए हो, क्या बात कर रहे हो? मैं 9 बजे से बैठा हूँ।
A white ball, addition to a score.
45 स्कोरबोर्ड उधर रखा हुआ है।
Plays it on the offside, long off for a single. Vikram is on strike now. Very tight bowling by Vaibhav Balda. Not giving so many runs.
ओवर हुआ ना?
After 6 over, Orange Panther 46 for 2. They had a very good start with Vikrant and Narayan having their individual score crossed in double digits. And there is a drink break for the teams. Yellow Panther has done a comeback in the second half of the game by putting a break on the run rate of Orange Panther. There are last 2 over remaining. Orange Panther will seek to score as much as possible. Dipesh has been brought back on the attack by Shashi. Last 2 crucial overs for Orange Panther and Yellow Panther. A very good ball. Oh, it's a catch and a wicket. Very good ball by Dipesh. On a Yorker length ball. Batsman flicks over. Covers a lot of ground and hangs on to the catch. A very good running by Vikram. And Mahi steals the signal. There was a chance for a run out.
कितना रन हुआ?
Orange Panther 47 for 3.
No, after this there is the last.
Well fielded on his own batting, on bowling. Dipesh restricts to 1. We have to say the second half of the game has gone to Yellow Panthers' way. They have kept the line and length ready. Tight.
Ball है दीपेश.
Tries to slog over the umpire's head but misses the ball completely. A very good line and length by Dipesh. Walks across the stumps, plays on the leg side for single. With the single, the scoreboard reaches to 49 for Orange Panther. They are 1 run short for the half century. A very tight bowling by the pace in this particular over. A very good shot, a drop chance again.
कितना 2 रन?
And gives away 2 runs. This has been a concern for Yellow Panther in this inning. They have dropped so many catches.
ड्यूटी मिलेगी ना तुम लोग को? ड्यूटी मिली ना? पूरा हुआ 51 ना? 50 ना?
After 7 over, Orange Panther 51 for 3 wickets. Yellow Panther has been successful in putting on brakes on the.
अभी इशारा नहीं आया ना.
And it's a power play. Last over is a power play. The field restrictions would be there. And Orange Panther will seek to have more and more run in this last over. They are already on 51. They would be looking somewhere to go around 60, 70 so that they have a tough total. And it's a good total to defend on this pitch. Prathamesh has been brought back on the attack. And let me remind you, when he was brought on the attack for the first over, he got the wicket in his first over itself. It's a good move by the captain. A very good shot, but a very good fielding. Restricted to 1 run. A single comes in. A scoreboard reaches to 52.
लास्ट ये पावर प्ले है ना एक. कितना बॉल हुआ? एक बॉल.
Steps outside, plays the shot, and it's a 6. A first 6.
51 ओवर के बाद बोला था सर, 52 आपको ही बोला सर्विस में।
हाँ ठीक है, 51 में अभी पूछा था, एक बॉल।
A very good ball. A very good comeback by Prathamesh in this over.
कितना बॉल हुआ?
3 बॉल 58।
Again steps out. Plays it on the leg side for a 4. A welcome boundary for Orange Panther.
सर जब म्यूजिक बजेगा तो बोलना मत।
A good ball. A very good line and length by Prathamesh. Comebacks in the inning. A dot ball. And now it's the last ball of the Orange Panthers inning.
कितना स्कोर है? 62 ना?
Orange Panthers 62. They want to capitalize on the last ball as much as they can. Yellow Panthers are tight. Steps outside, plays it. There is a chance for catch. Both of them. Nashfa grabs the catch. There was a collision, but the catch was saved by Nashfa. And after 8 overs. Picture click, post it on your social media handle, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Twitter. Up, make them. Yes, that's the spirit. Support your team. Get your photos clicked on the phone booth, fan booth. Blue Panthers, Orange Panther, and Black Panthers, Yellow Panthers. They all are Panther in Wakanda. Yellow Panthers are getting ready for their inning. They have to chase 63 runs in 8 overs. They have done well on the bowling side. Now let's see what they do on the batting side. teams together on the center for a group picture with Universal Boss. Come fast, guys. Uh, Rajgil sir, where are you? Please come to the center of the ground for a group pic. Rajgil sir, where are you? Please come to the center of the ground for a group pic. Woo! Make some noise, boys! Root Mobile Premier League Season 8! Wakanda forever! अरे सर ब्लू पैंथर वाला वकांडा Root Mobile Premier League Season 8 welcomes you all on this very beautiful day, a very good competition. हाँ, give it to we just want to confirm that every player in each and team got their money by their team owners. If anybody has any issues, they can reach out to us and let us know. We are getting ready for the excitement. Yellow Panther is on the crease now. Orange Panther ready. Will they be able to take their revenge from last season? A sensible batting by Rahul. Takes the strike and starts the account for Yellow Panther.
मनीष आया ना
Oh, shapes it away. A good shot by Manish. Third man side. And it's a boundary. And the audience make some more noise.
अबे तुम लोग बजा ही नहीं रहे वो लोग कितना बजा रहे थे
हमारे वाले उधर बैठे ना इधर किसको बजो
तो उधर जा बोल बजाने के लिए आवाज ही नहीं आ रही यहाँ तक ऑडियंस को बजाओ यार क्या ये येलो पैंथर पैसे वैसे नहीं दिए क्या
दिए ना सबको दिए
हाँ
कैब से आ रहे सब ट्रैफिक बंद किए
Oh, clean ball. Narayan termed to be a golden boy for Orange Panther this year. He has got a wicket, first blood, in the very first over itself. A very sensible shot by Nashwa. Flicks it for one run. There is a misfield. There is a chance they steal one more run. This is an extra run. We need to be careful, guys, not to be leading runs. 2 runs comes off. And with this 2 run, the score reaches to 7 with a loss of 1 wicket for Yellow Panther. Misses the line on the leg side, wide.
अरे 8 रन आ गए बे
A good bowling, and Nashwa steals the single. A very good start by Yellow Panther in response to Orange Panther's 62 runs. Flicks it in a gap for a single. And with this single, the over ends over here. After 1 over, Yellow Panther 10 runs with a loss of 1 wicket. They're with a good run rate. They're maintaining their run rate. We have to see how they play in next coming overs. 10. Well ball Mahe and well defended Nashwa Patel. The batsmen are in middle talking out on some strategies to tackle Mahendra. He's a very good bowler. A fast medium pace from Orange Panther side. Orange Panther looking full pumped up in the ground. They have a total to defend. Very good bowling by Mahendra Kambe. Orange Panther has come back in this over, not giving too many runs. Only a single till now. Plays it down on the onside for a single. Scoreboard needs to be keep ticking, guys. Single and doubles can make you win the match. And a tight fielding and tight catches can make you win the match. And both the teams are doing the same. A very good ball, short pitch ball. Rahul tried to pull it on the leg side but failed to do it. Inside edge and a single. A very tight bowling by Mahi in this particular over. He has definitely put some break on the runs. Oh, it's a mid-just shot. Tries to play it over the covers.
अंगारों का अंबर
By Orange Panther in 2 consecutive overs. A very good bowling by Mahi. And a very good captaincy by Vikrant. 13 run with a loss of 2 wickets in 2 overs. Now the responsibility lies with Rahul Nirmal to take Yellow Panther. Hello everyone, we are about to close the breakfast counter. Whoever wants to do the breakfast can go hand a breakfast now. Otherwise, we will be closing in 5 minutes. There are some field adjustments which are going on. Orange Panthers are pumped up. Rahul Nirmal is pumped up. He has a big responsibility to take his team home by chasing 63 runs. They have already made 13 runs in 2 overs. They need 50 runs in next 6 overs. Vikram Nawalkar, a very good ace bowler from Orange Panther side. Keeping length and line very tight to Rahul. Doesn't giving any room to play his shots. A misfield adds to a run. And it was a wide given by umpire. So there are 2 runs. With this 2 runs, the score reaches to 15 for Yellow Panther with a loss of 2 wickets. Steps outside the crease, plays it for 1. Again tries to pull it over leg side. Misses completely.
हेलो हाँ विक्रांत शाबाश जरा रेडी रहना शाबाश बॉलिंग है बॉल
Another wicket falls down for Yellow. Getting added to Yellow Panthers total. And with this one run, Yellow Panther moves to 19 with a loss of 3 wickets. A good shot, flicks it over the leg side for single. After 3 overs, Yellow Panther 20 runs with a loss of 3 wickets. They need another 43 runs in next 5 overs to win this match. And the responsibility is with the captain to take his team home.
भाई दोस्त टीम 11 आ गया क्या दोनों का लिख रहा है ना एक बार बोल देना ना कि अभी जब ये ड्रिंक्स ब्रेक होगा ना उसमें टॉस कर दोगे
एक मैच मुझे
बॉलर माइंड सर जी
White ball, Mahesh Thakur on the bowling attack. विक्रम भाई
दीपेश ना
हाँ दीपेश पढ़ ले रहे नाम इधर से
one more wicket falls down for Yellow Panther. Are doing great in this match. Yellow Panther would be trying to revive their inning. Taps it on the ground for Mahesh Thakur has created chances. Again, Prathmesh taps it, goes for a single run.
मुझे पता है एचआर में आप लोगों नाम पूछा
Okay. 11. Okay. And black. Yeah, I am getting. Yeah.
A very good ball by Mahesh Thakur. And with this ball, it's a drink breaks. We are halfway to the second inning, and the score is 24 with a fall of 6 wickets for Yellow Panthers. Yellow Panther needs to pull the team back up. They need to re-strategize. Orange Panther have done a great job to restrict Yellow Panthers batsmen.
But everyone have a great time. I think you'll agree it's better than being in the office. And enjoy the lovely weather and lovely food. So thank you all.
Thanks, Raj. Thanks. And we have an exciting owner of Orange Panther, Tushar sir, in the house. His team is doing great this season. We would like to have his blessing now. This has been, since last 2 seasons, it has been a drought for Orange Panther.
क्या हो गया भाई?
Tushar sir, your team is doing a great, fantastic job. I guess your bets has been put on the right horses this time.
I hope so, yeah. Hope so, hope so.
Oh, whom you give a credit?
Huh?
Whom you give a credit this time?
Whom do I give credit for this? Matches just got started, yeah.
No, no, for picking up this extraordinary player. You brought a new captain this time.
Our team management, our man, our coach here. What's his name? Hitesh. He's been the key guy,
So, do you think that bringing Vikrant as a captain has done the trick for you?
Wait and watch.
Okay, we will wait and watch. So, guys, here's the news. Orange Panthers are all pumped up. Yellow Panthers need 39 runs in 24 ball. They have 4 wickets left. It's quite a doable task, guys. And we look forward to it. The match resumes. A welcome boundary for Yellow Panther after the drinks break. The ball goes for a single and double. A very sensible play, got a boundary in this over. And he's keeping the run rate moving for Yellow Panthers. The score goes to 30 for Yellow Panther. 31. Correction, Yellow Panther 31 after 6 down. White ball signal by the umpire. An extra run adding into Yellow Panthers total. 32 for 6. They need 31 run in 21 balls. Quite a doable task, guys. A very well ball by Vikram. On a Yorker line delivery. Harsh Prabhu tries to flick it over the long on, but fails to do it. Misses outside off stump. A short pitch ball. Directs to cover a leg side. Steals 2 runs. Quite a sensible batting by Harsh Prabhu. He is doing his calculations pretty well.
हो गया कितना रन कितना हुआ कितना 4 हुआ
34 for 6. After 5 over.
टेबल पे प्रॉप्स को खोल के डालो प्रॉप्स किधर है सब ये लोग तो टेबल इधर लगा के रखा है यहाँ लगाओ प्रॉप्स को साइड में टेबल तो बोल बाद में मैं बोलता हूँ टेबल इधर लगाओ साइड में क्या हुआ
कितना बॉल स्टार्ट हुआ
Yellow Panther 35 runs. Appeal for caught behind. But the umpire stays unmoved. It's not out. Very good bowling by Narayan. Brought back into the attack by Captain Vikrant. The trick has played. And your Orange Panthers are doing great in this match. Yellow Panthers are fighting back.
अभी अभी 15 बॉल बचा हुआ है ना और 25 रन चाहिए 27
Yellow Panther need 27 run in 15 balls. Quite a doable task, guys. There are 4 wicket left. Prathamesh, a good shot on the leg side. Goes for a single, calls for a double Harsh Prabhu, but stops. Sends back Prathamesh. Only 1 run conceded on this delivery. The score moves to 37. 26 run needed in 14 ball. And Yellow Panther has to remember they have 1 over left for power play. And they have to plan accordingly. Harsh Prabhu taps the ball in on the onside, steals the signal. 38 for 6 Yellow Panther. 25 run needed on 13 ball. Prathamesh taps the ball in on the onside, takes the signal, keeps the strike for the next over. After 6 over, Yellow Panthers are 39 for 6 wicket. They need another 24 run in 2 overs. And mind me, guys, they have 1 power play left. They will want to capitalize as much as on that power play, because the field restrictions would be there. There would be a lot more chances to score boundaries and sixes. Panthers 6 over 39 runs. They need 24 run in 12 balls. The bowling attack would be handled by Vikrant. captain himself leading from in all the areas. 39. 24 runs to be made on 12 deliveries.
स्पीकर वहाँ लगा हुआ है। विक्रांत है वो वहाँ पे रखा हुआ है उसने स्पीकर पता नहीं है।
It's a power play taken by the Panther. They would like to capitalize on this. The strategy is simple for Yellow Panther. They want to keep as many run for the last over. It's a no ball by Vikrant, and it's a free hit for Prathamesh. Not able to.
हाँ ठीक है कितना हुआ
सर ये लोग को साइड में बोलिए
तुषार sir.
1 मिनट रुक जाओ
46
17
17 run needed in 8 balls. 8 बॉल में 17 रन.
स्कोर की हाँ 46 रनिंग में डाल दो
Asked for a double by Harsh Prabhu. Able to succeed it. Good running by Prathamesh and Harsh Prabhu. 2 runs added. The score moves to 48 for Yellow Panther. They need 15 more runs in last 7 deliveries to win this match. 15. 7.
आणि तू अजून जवळ घेऊन बोलतोयस तर अजून नाही येत आहे.
A very good ball by Mahi.
हाँ उसको बोलना थोड़ा बढ़ा देने के लिए वॉल्यूम
After 7 overs, Yellow Panther 48 for 6. They need 15 run in last over to win this match. 6 deliveries, 15 run. Big in. Field adjustments are getting done. All are excited. Everybody is on their toes. Crucial 6 balls. And on the strike, we have Harsh Prabhu. And there is a misfield. Harsh Prabhu coming for second. Good running. Asked for out. And it's not out. Good dive by Harsh Prabhu.
बजने तो सीटी
It's a 50 run for Yellow Panther. We need another 13 in 5 deliveries. Oh, makes a shot and runs for second. 2 more run added into Yellow Panthers total. 52 needed in 4 deliveries. What an exciting match. What an exciting opening match for you, Root Mobile Premier League Season 8. Good shot. "53, we need, Yellow Panther needs 10 more runs to win in next 3 deliveries. Flighted delivery by Amol beats the batsman. And a crucial dot ball. Now 10 runs needed in 2 balls. Again a flighted delivery. Prashant makes his shots and gets caught in the deep. Another wicket falls in for Yellow Panther.